Hey guys, how are you today? This is Ed with Fix It Pros. I got a Google Pixel 3 phone here, and you know what? I'm right in the middle of it, so I apologize for making this video now from the beginning. I was having a little problem. I was going to make a video, but I couldn't find any other videos how to repair, change just the LCD. Everybody had just frame job, and it was like kind of like crazy because I had to pull everything apart. So I had just purchased. The LCD alone, which was this, and so basically, you don't have to pull everything apart. But the motherboard, so I just kind of want to show you this motherboard. Everything has to be taken off. All these little screws here, they're all here, and there's like a speaker piece. Again, I apologize. I right in the middle. Making a video in the middle of taking it apart, but I just kind of want to make a quick video. Once you take the back glass off, you just got to heat that up a little bit, take that off. You're going to take all these screws out. You'll find here you got to disconnect all the camera flex cables, the back camera, all these little connections here. The speaker part has to come out because there's a flex cable here that was connected to here. Okay. Anyways, once you start prying up, this was the tricky part because this LCD, the motherboard was like embedded in here, and I was just like, it's not moving, what's going on? But once I popped underneath here, then I saw where everything started coming loose, because this is like tucked all the way inside here. And there was some videos showing that the guy was kind of like just pushing these cables out. That was for like an XL, and just not enough room just to push this cable out. So anyways, once you pop up, the tricks are once you pop from here, and you'll see it start lifting, then you'll be able to just slide this out. So that's why I wanted to make this video. So that we can show. So once that gets going, I haven't taken off the whole motherboard because there's these other antenna wires. So I haven't completely separated, but once you're here, you're gonna start to heat up this top. And again, I haven't seen any videos, taking this whole, doing just the LCD alone. So I figured, since I'm already kind of there, let me just kind of do a video in case this helps somebody. But you're gonna start heating this up, okay? And you're gonna see if you could see that. You're gonna start, there's like an adhesive tape that you'll start tearing off, okay? Little by little, it'll start coming out. And this LCD was good, but this thing was super glued down that I just destroyed it. Trying to get this job done. Plus I was doing the LCD anyways. But this LCD actually was kind of messed up because there was a big spot there, but it was still kind of working. But I just wanted to do this video just so if anybody else gets in this situation, they can know how to proceed. So as we're here, we're gonna look at this part right here. Okay, so here we go. So this is you're gonna see this is gonna pop out. This out. This is part of this. So I just start slowly. I like to take this Sesmo, slowly peeling back, little by little. You can see what's going on here, and you'll see that everything starts coming out. I don't know if you saw that, but that's that flex cable. That's this flex cable right here. It's gonna pop out. Let me just heat a little bit more. All the other videos I watched, everything was, doing the whole frame assembly, which is not that easy as well. You gotta take everything apart, but battery off. That's why sometimes I like just to do the LCD alone, but this one was a little difficult. But once you start seeing where the hard parts are, it's really not that difficult. But once you get past there, so we're gonna just keep going. Make sure there's no cables that are gonna. Okay, so we're gonna keep heating this up a little bit more. Heat this up here. So like I said, I hope, you know, this video helps anybody that kind of was just doing this job alone. The other stuff is kind of self-explanatory, taking the back glass off. That's pretty easy. But it was just taking this stuff off. Okay. So here we go. Booyah. Nice. Because all the other videos were like, take everything apart, and I was like, oh man, it's kind of like, I knew I just had the LCD without the frame, and I figured instead of taking everything off, I can just, I'm sure there was some shortcuts. So now that we've got that off, everything seems to be pretty intact. We're going to take all this glue stuff off, these little pieces here, and looks like there's some kind of mesh. I know that's like a mesh sticker. You might have to want to peel those off. Pop those out. Yep. Make sure you save those for the next screen because they didn't come with. Okay, so make sure that's the bottom. This is the top one. Okay, so this one's for the top. Alright. Where did I just peel it off from? I just peeled that from the bottom. Okay, so that one goes here at the bottom. Make sure you save all these. Okay. Now you'll have that little mesh sticker. Awesome. There's another one. But that broke off. I have it saved over there. But anyways, once you get this stuff cleaned up, get all that glue off, then you just have to reverse engineer it and pop the LCD on there and it should be fine. I'll kind of show you that in a second. Let me just get all this glue off. Get all this glue off. And I like to use B7000 glue once we put this on. So you want to get all this old rubber glue off. Oh, that was from another phone. Get all this adhesive off because this only makes it tougher. And you're probably going to want to clean that camera too. Okay, so once all that's off, we're probably gonna clean the camera real quick too, and I'm gonna show you what I use. I'm back. I like to use this QD electronic cleaner, but I did see this cancer and reproductive harm. I mean, that's kind of crazy. But anyways, I use these micro fiber cloths so it clean that camera, so it looks pretty good. Okay, and last thing, I want to use this flathead screwdriver to just get off any glass that's in there. Glue. Sometimes the glue hides the piece of glass when you get in trouble. Okay, so that being said, It's not that difficult, but it's getting there is the problem. So now that we're here, these are gonna, well, I already tested this, so everything's working, so I know it's good. So I'm gonna take all this stuff off now. All these little stickers, I don't know if that's sticky, not sticky at all. Okay. This part's sticky, so that's good. That's good. Take this stuff off. Okay. Then we are going to assemble this. This is going to go through here. Let's get these cables in here. Let's get that in there. Let's get this in here. Okay, once you get these cables in there, you know, I'm gonna use the B7000 glue, but just to kind of show you what it's gonna look like, but make sure you put those little mesh stickers in there. So basically that's it. So I'm gonna seal it in there with the B7000 glue, and we should be pretty good. Alright guys, I'm just gonna cut it off here because I just want to be real careful. This is for a customer I got to deal with today, and but just so you see that, what I'll do is I'll probably take another quick little video once it's done, so you can see it kind of power on. And then all you do is just, you know, again, you'll connect those connectors back over here and just put everything back together. Alright guys, thanks again. Sorry about, again, that in the middle of the repair video, but nobody else had anything like it. I didn't see anybody doing the LCD alone, and I kind of got into it and then said, hey, let's make a quick video in case I can help somebody. Have a great day. Thank you so much.